Frontline International presents a step-by-step guide for smart oil management. The grill grease caddy collects grease throughout the day and pumps into your UCO tank. First, let's look at removing grill grease. After cooking is done, scrape the grilling surface clean. Scrape everything into the grill grease drawer until the surface is empty. Once cleaned, pull out the grill grease drawer and carefully pour into the caddy. Once emptied, return the drawer to the grill. Then wheel the grill grease caddy to the UCO tank, pumping the grill grease from the caddy to the UCO tank. First, turn the motor off. Then, connect the power cord to the plug on the electrical housing of the caddy. Then, plug the caddy power cord into the UCO tank. Now that the caddy is plugged in, it is important to preheat the caddy to ensure that the grease is liquefied. Push the Preheat Caddy button on the control panel. The heating progress bar will show at the bottom of the screen. A message will appear when caddy heating is complete. Now you can connect the grill grease caddy hose to the UCO tank. Now it is time to pump the grill grease from the caddy to the UCO tank. To start, connect the grill grease caddy hose to the UCO tank. Then plug the caddy power cord into the UCO tank. Now, push Dispose on the control panel. The used cooking oil is loaded into the UCO tank. That's it, you're all set. Our grill grease caddy features an extra-large sediment basket, so you can collect grease throughout the day. Plus, our caddy's silicone heater prevents congealing. Frontline provides safer, more employee-friendly solutions